Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you guys are keeping well. Something special for you today. I'm going to review the HiFiman Edition XS. These are 18 ohm headphones. Sensitivity is 92 dB. They weigh 405 grams and they have a frequency response from 8 Hz to 50 kHz. So, are these any good? And how do they sound compared to my other HiFiman headphones? Let's go check them out. In the box, you get the headphones themselves. We'll do a close-up of those in a second. You also get the cable, which I've managed to twist around. So 3.5, standard 3.5 into the headphones themselves. You get 3.5 with a 6.3 adapter. Very nice cable. If you only use unbalanced, you do not need to change this cable. It's very good. I wouldn't bother. So these are the new Edition XS. So what they have over the older version is the new Neo Super Nano diaphragm. It's 75% thinner, so it provides a lot more detail and more sonic capabilities as well. Also has the new stealth magnets, which enables the sound waves to pass through without generating interference, so you get a much purer sound. You also have this new soft headband, you can see it, and it has very soft here. The cups are very similar, large design to the sort of Aria, Ananda's, that sort of design, and you've got some wiggle room here. I don't know if you can see. And they're just a really nice design. So, put this on your head. The headband, I've got a fairly large head, and if you have a small head, there isn't much room to go a lot smaller than that, but they do extend for quite an enormous size head, like so, and like so. You have left and right markings in here, HiFiman on one side, and you have the Edition XS on the other. So, how do these sound compared to Arias, Anandas, Sundaras? As you know, Sundara is about £300 and is at its price point pretty much unbeatable. It's a fantastic headphone. The Diva Pro has the Bluetooth module. It also sounds really good. Not as detailed as Sundara, but probably if I had to choose between the two, I probably might go for the Diva Pro due to its versatility. However, what I've really wanted is a class-leading headphone with the stealth magnets that doesn't cost Aria prices, doesn't cost the Ananda prices. In my book, I prefer this to the Ananda. It's got more bass, it's got, the mids were better for me, the trebles about the same, but this is a lot less, costs a lot less, and it's an absolute deal shaker at that price, at this price. And then you compare it to the Arias, and the Arias are better. Do not get me wrong, they are fantastic, and they're priced for a reason at the figure they are. But these are 500 versus 1400, so they are a fraction of the price. And therefore I don't think you can go wrong with these. I think you could have these and that's it. That's your final pair of headphones you'd ever need. So while the Arias slightly better, well, they just have that extra pizzazz in the treble, the mid and the bass. They're slightly faster, slightly more detailed, but honestly, you're getting probably 80% of the Arias sound, and these cost so much little. So these have really good bass. These are the songs that I used. Absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love these. So let's just talk about some of the songs. So it's got the, you're looking at some of the tracks that I was using. It's got pace, it's got rhythm, it's got a very good sound stage, but having that extra bass, sometimes, having very neutral headphones, It's good if you're in a studio, but if you want to enjoy the music, you do need that little bit of extra bass. And these were fantastic for that reason. Good soundstage, good mids, good treble, and a killer price as well. I mean, I absolutely love these, and this lovely headband, which I found really, really comfortable on my head. So you might have some questions. I'll answer them all. Just drop me a note down below. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Catch you guys soon. Bye for now.